Okay, so we start off with this new interface which just says my new mind map, and we're going to click in there and change that to the topic that we're doing, which is the highlight of my holidays. So now that we have the topic there, we start to make the bubbles. The bubbles represent our thought process. So the first thing, since it's an essay that we're going to write, the first thing that we want to do is to write about what will come into the introduction. So we start off with that introduction, and we're going to make that introduction color, the font black, and the background should be yellow. So we start off with that, and we just want to straighten this up a little bit so that we're using less space, conserve on the space there. Okay, so we start off with introduction, and the first thing that I would want to do from the introduction is to make a general statement about my holidays. I may want to say something, for example, uh, it was great, and I would elaborate on that when I'm actually writing the introduction. Now, since this is coming from the introduction, I need to make it uniformed. So the font is black, and the background again is in the same color as before. Okay, so now I'm looking at one aspect of the introduction. Something else that I would want to add to the introduction. So I will create another bubble here, and I will identify the highlight. And in this case, it would be my trip to Wonderland, and specifically the Windseeker ride. Again, I need to make it uniformed, so I'll just quickly do that, changing the font to black and the background to yellow, right like that. So now I have the introduction set, and that would be my first paragraph.